Okay, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing. Hey, got a little top tip for you. Like we talked to you earlier about the relays in the 57 red sled, filling up full of water. These were inside the kick panel of the car. Now, hate to say it, this is old technology. These cars have a lot of clearance issues, and they are known to leak. And even in the case of our car here, it has leaked profusely. We've gotten a little bit on the driver's side. The passenger side's been pretty tight. But when you're installing your wiring, or even after you get your car back, if you notice something, this is the relay. That's pretty much what has stranded our car. Now, because we had to buy it in some remote resort town, we paid about 30 bucks for two of these. Now, these in an electronics store are about $5 to $6, maybe 7 or 8 if at the most. Anyways, these were installed in their holders upside down on the kick panel near the firewall. And what they did is we developed a leak there. Now, 57s have that air intake right there as well. Well, basically, when the water did run down, it just filled these suckers up and shorted them out. They were hot. They kind of stunk a little bit. They're probably toast. I don't know if they'll work after drying them out. But if you do come across a relay like this, basically what I did here is just, there was enough wire to do it, I was able to rotate it this way. In case anything runs along down the top, at least it's going to run away from the opening where the terminals are. So when you are, when you're wiring up stuff, whether this is under the hood or under the dash, try to put the relays this way. It's a little bit more, it might be a little bit more effort, but do that. If not, spend a little extra money and get the waterproof ones. They've got the weather pack connectors. Those are actually better suited for under the hood, fuel pump relays, things like that. And they have a much more positive lock to them. So again, this little $6 part almost stranded us. So fortunately, once we located them, it was an easy switch, and we were able to get the car back on the road rather easily. So just a little top tip there from Mike from Danchuk. So just whether you're doing the wiring or somebody else has and you discover this, flip them over. It'll save you a lot of headaches down the road and a lot of stress when you're trying to drive a car and keep it from overheating in traffic. So, or anything else that your relays may be powering. All right, take care, and we'll talk soon, and we'll report more from the road later on.